push it. After finish, you can see now finally we complete a ground floor. Congratulations, guys. Now let's work on first floor. Go to top view and click T button for take tool and make line on walls border. Now to turn making walls, so press R button and match to corner to corner. Also repeat the process for making every wall. Here we done. Now let's select whole wall and make it into group. Now let's move this whole wall on the ground floor, top by click M button of mouse. Yeah, perfectly fitted. Now to the turn, push the wall. So select the face and press P button and push it like this. And let's push every walls again. I'm searching how much I want to push the wall. I think this perfect. Now let's push the whole walls and okay guys, let's finish and after we talk. We fuck it again. Now let's add window. But first need to make support for window. So here I'm copying my first window model. So for making copy, you just need press M button and after click hold control button and move the object and you will got a copy of piece. Let's add window again and finish it fast. Hopefully we done all window and glass railing. Now I'm thinking to add more models in terrace area like dining chair and relax chair or some plant and sun protection hood. So let's add whole models from 3D Warehouse. Let's add roof copy. The roof and put on top. Let's push the area that we don't want. Here we done. Ha! You can see it looks so pretty, nice, the perfect piece of shit. You can see I added chairs, plant, roof, dining area, wall plant, also sun protection, glass, and wooden-made roof. This looks so amazing. All right, guys, I know you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, so please fuck the subscribe button and raise your finger and click the like button and comment me. I subscribe to the channel. Also, who not subscribing me, who not supporting me, get the fuck out of this channel. This type of word I will not use for you guys. Listen, you're amazing viewer. I love you all. If you subscribe, I smile. If you're not subscribed, I smile too, because you are part of my family, friend, anything you could say. Okay, that's the part of emotion. Now the next work is to making the boundary of the house. And also we making stairs and adding gates from 3D warehouse. And the process is really simple of making boundary and stair. We only playing with push-pull tool and measurement tool. It's really simple. You can see I'm not doing rocket science work, it's simple work. But here we're using two different tools. The tool name is offset tool. We're using it. And also we're using 2-point arc tool. So watch it carefully where we use Chill-a-lot. We done the boundary work now. Let's make the stairs. You can also download stair from 3D warehouse. And if you want to make stair, you can make so. In stair making, we will using 2-point arc tool. Watch carefully for understanding. Now push down for making the stair. Now the turn of using 2-point arc tool, so select and add point to point tool. And you can see here, create a curve. Now we will selecting this curve area and pushing at the end, you will hear making curve on stair. It's look like marble. We were doing this again and again on every stair for making marble stair. I repeat the process again. Select curve tool and make curve on stair and select it or push it at the end. All right, we done it. Now the turn of making boundary of the house and adding 2 big gates. One end for single person and second gate for vehicle. Here we also creating boundary with simple process that we have done. Starting, but here we learn second tool and the name is offset tool. Watch and learn how I'm creating this boundary. Select offset tool and click on border of the face, drag like this. And you can see here we created another face of the borderline. This is the facet tool. Work if you want to learn deeply about every tool. Comment me and I will make full video on it. Here we use the facet. Now pushing and making some fucking design on walls like this. And you are guys amazing. In the next part, we will take this model in the Blender software, yay D5 render software. But before, here's many work pending, like texturing, etc. We need to finish it first now. I'm thinking to create some design on wall. Okay, now walls completed. Now turn of adding big and small gate that I downloaded from 3D warehouse. Let's make it small and scale it. Make sure gate fitted on wall. We fixing the problems. Here we done, I think. Yeah. Now let's add hanging chair in the garden and make garden more beautiful by adding some models and paver, grass types of materials. Also, we adding a car. So let's make in the garden more beautiful by adding furnitures in the garden. Let's go on 3D warehouse and find some hanging chair. If you don't know about hanging chair, wait, I'll show you. Here is hanging chair. We also say this chair, egg chair. Now add the car. I would like to add car like Defender because I love Defender. SUV, How family, tell me in the comment which type of car you like. After adding cars, now add some grass and pavers. I would like grass everywhere in this garden. Finally, we done our whole 3D modeling in SketchUp. Now only one step is pending, the texture adding. What the fuck are you waiting for? Let's add some texture. For texture or paint, click this option here. You can see paint and texture option. You can also find more texture. And if you want to add some texture from outside, you can also add, I tell you, letter. So I would like to add gray brick and cream cerulean tile design. So this is my theme that I think in mind. Let's add more texture. Okay guys, here I'm in my Blender software, and now I'm gonna import my SketchUp file in Blender. So here's our exterior design that we done full modeling in SketchUp. Now let's do some denting painting again and make it more realistic. This design, also I will take this design in other software, D5 render for make more realistic. I will show you my final walkthrough. Let's get on work here. I'm adding texture again, and I will add road, grass, car, camera angle,